Okay, so this is a simplified version of the Polymer 30 kV contact pulling system. We have a 30 kV power supply up to 2 milliamp and a test fixture. Okay, the test fixture has a top ball electrode. Okay, the ball electrode it connected to a wire to the high voltage output from the back of the high voltage power supply. The grounding is a stainless steel plate that's connected to the grounding wire. Important grounding to the grounding, building grounding. And this is a test fixture. You see here. So you soak it into silicone oil. Okay, soak it into silicone oil because silicone oil can prevent the dielectric breakdown of air to prevent the arc. The arc may damage the test system and also dangerous. A typical sample over here, for example, this is a PVDF film. I draw a square so you can see it, otherwise it's transparent. And on top, I use a conductive or semi-conductive silicon rubber as a top electrode. This silicon rubber defines the test area. And certainly you can also use sample with electrode, right? If your lab have metallization machine, you can put a gold or silver by splattering whatever. If you do not have that, you can simply use a conductive rubber or even aluminum foil to define the pulling area. So power supply is very easy to use. Before you turn on the power and make sure the knob is set at 0. Otherwise, when you turn on the power, there will be high voltage output, which may be dangerous. Okay, and I can turn on the high voltage power supply. Okay, it's on, and this knob is if I push this knob in, it's bright color, right? So that means it's going to be controlled by the computer. The knob will not working. You must turn it off. Okay, then the knob will control the high voltage output. The film is about 28 micron. I'm going to apply about 7 kV, which is 250 watt per micron for 3 minutes. Okay, so I use the knob to control the voltage output, about 7 kV for 3 minutes. So what voltage you are going to use and for how long, that's a research project. That will be your research project. You have to do design of experiment. The higher the voltage, the better piezo performance, but your sample may have dielectric breakdown. The glass container with silicone oil on top of a hot plate. Then use a hot plate to simply control the temperature because the temperature is another factor to affect the pulling effect. Right? So a little bit cleaning. This is big piece. Okay, so wipe off the oil, short circuit with aluminum foil. Okay. This is important. Otherwise, if there are still high voltage, it may damage your expensive Piezo D33 meter. Right. So this is a standard commercial PVDF film is about D33. At about 2 Newton is about 20. Okay. Yeah, you see the film. About 7 kV, 3 minutes, we got almost as good as the commercial Piezo film. This is the negative 18, 19, right? If I flip over, it should give me positive. Yeah, this is the positive. So this is a true Piezo. One surface is negative, the other surface is positive. Okay. If I go to the edge of the film, where I do not apply any voltage, you see it's very close to 0, right? So that means the pulling effect. Okay. So this is good news. 7 kV, 3 minutes. You can pull it. The PVDF almost as good as the Piezo film.